Yeah, I was recently browsing the best entertainment on earth without ads, YouTube, and a headline sparked my interest. Clarendon running out of burial spots, which leads me to ask, who benefits who benefits from death in Jamaica? Let's go to this video and hear what going on.
The search is on for land for a new cemetery in Clarendon. It comes after news that the authorities are no longer will be accepting burial applications at one of the largest cemeteries in the parish. Anthony Lugg has the details.
This is an aerial view of the Denby Cemetery in Clarendon. The cemetery, which is one of the largest in the parish, is said to be near its capacity. Chairman of the Clarendon Municipal Corporation, Winston Mirage, says burial application for the location has been discontinued.
However, there are some churches and some citizens who did pay for reserved spots for many years now, and so we do have those spots that are left available for those people.
The latest development has forced residents to seek alternative burial grounds, and in some cases, relatives have resorted to home burials. Persons are being warned, however, that the requisite approvals must be given. But with what appears to be a shortage of burial spaces in the parish, what does this mean?
We still are asking persons to come in and talk to us, and we'll advise them as to the next step.
In the meantime, Mr. Mirage is insisting the authorities are actively searching for land suitable for cemeteries in the parish.
We do have some areas that we have been looking at over the years, and we're going through the processes which involve NEPA, of course, and the Water Resources Authority. So it's really a process in identifying suitable lands for cemeteries.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
Steps are to be.
All right. One thing then left out the numbers. I would love to hear the capacity of that cemetery. How much people in there dead from natural causes versus murder. What's the new capacity gonna be versus the one where already run out? So yeah, who benefit? Seems like most of the deaths nowadays in Jamaica are murder, right? So you have these cowards going around, whether from contract killing to disputes, whatever it is, weak men behavior. And you have cowards who can't speak it out, so they resort to violence. Now check this out, who benefit from death in Jamaica? Think about you cowards who kill. Who you making richer? What's the going rate? Where going rate now for half somebody? Somebody always attack and there's always a number out there. So they probably take a little bullshit money if they have something on their mind for the rest of them life. Those for the one who committing the act, the one who's pay for the act, and the one who responsible for the act. So they create a whole economy around death in Jamaica. You have funeral homes that eat. As you can see, cemetery that eat. People pay for spots, so them a eat. They need more land. The hearse people, the videographer, the photographers, the people who sell funeral accessories, clothing. Most of these are murders that are heavy on the news. The medias eat, right? So we're there upon TVJ, 54,000 views. So, and that's not even talking about murder. So just you have endless bloggers between all social media with content on these deaths. So imagine how much they're eating, and they're at the bottom of the table. So imagine how much I get generated through Facebook, Meta, parent company, whatever, Alphabet, Google, TikTok, name them. Guess who else I eat? The hotel I eat, the airline I eat, the Airbnb I eat, the Uber if I go to the airport, the gas company, the transportation from airport in Jamaica to the home of these victims. Oh, there's so much people I eat. Who am I to judge? The government of Jamaica and US are eating. America is about capitalism. Jamaica like them on that train now. So if you don't make dollars, it don't make sense. Who am I to judge if the people them can live good with them one another? So you go around and create chaos, and you guys get the smallest piece of pie to cause misery. You have to live with it for the rest of your life. Can't sleep, sometimes can't eat. Whatever the case, however, those type of people deal with it. Or some might have the stomach to go sleep just fine. Who knows? So for every death, every murder, it sounds like it's a over $1 million US economy. And that over 1,000 people are dead from murder in Jamaica. So that is over $1 billion US economy, right? Has to be. How much do you guys take or pay for cause all that misery? Meanwhile, they create that big economy and you don't eat nothing. So when people are go wise up and stop hate each other, start have conversation like men and women. But when they're ready for jump on the woman, they deal with the weak men. Guns imported to do these bullets. What a economy. Castic people, $500,000 for casket, 300,000. Hearse, liquor people, food people. Look on the amount of misery two simple people. Sometimes a simple argument could have, conversation could have stopped. But you rather make the same people who say a fight and can't make them reach better. Make billions off of them. Because of hate. So sad. If I don't need to look into yourself and come out of an environment for a little. Because you're in the same toxic place, days in, days out, on the corner, on the block. No need to go see the world. Go somewhere, go see how other people treat people and show love. I'm out.